Immediately backup your Samsung data to your Samsung Cloud or Google. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and you have to tap on Accounts and Backup. Tap on Manage Accounts and first of all make sure you have added your Google account or you have signed into your Samsung account, in which account you want to backup your phone data. Now from Accounts and Backup, here you will find Samsung Cloud and Google Drive section. In order to immediately backup your Samsung data to your Samsung Cloud, just tap on Backup Data under Samsung Cloud. Now you can turn on or off any options for backup. Then just tap on Backup now and your entire phone data will be immediately backup to your Samsung Cloud. In order to backup your all data to Google Drive, just come to Google Drive section and tap on Backup Data. And now to backup your photos and videos, check this. And to backup other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data, SMS and MMS option, check this option. Then tap on Confirm and then just go ahead and start to backup your phone data to your Google Cloud.